Keywords or search terms are very important when you are a seller on Amazon. Why? Let's find out in this video. If you are an Amazon seller, surely you know why keywords are so important. If you are going to be a future Amazon seller, you're also going to find out why keywords are so important. But two main reasons. First of all, keywords are very important when you want to create ad campaigns for your products. And number two, well, keywords are a way of how Amazon and the Amazon customer can identify your product and find it on the Amazon platform, hence why they are so important. But first, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers just like you on Amazon in the Middle East. For help and support, just reach out to our team on www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll also find all of the links in the description box of this video. Now, in order to figure out what keywords you should add to your listings, well, you can do it manually, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Cerebro by Helium 10. By the way, if you didn't know, cerebro or cerebro in Spanish means brain. Interesting. Now, let's assume you are selling or you want to sell this product, which is a glass kettle. So not only is it an electrical kettle, but it's also made out of glass. What great keywords should you use? Well, let's look at your competitors. So I'm on Amazon UAE and I'm searching for electrical kettles. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Helium 10 from the drop-down Chrome extension and I'm going to select X-ray. X-ray is a tool that simply X-rays the whole page and gives us some interesting information. As you can see, I can find products that are currently sponsored and products that are showing up for that main keyword, which is kettle, which by the way has a search volume of 2,900 searches per month on Amazon UAE. I can see all of that. Now, I can filter the results and remove any products that are being sponsored, but in this case, I don't really mind because what I'm looking for is I'm looking for products that are very similar to the product that I intend to sell, price-wise, and of course, I need to make sure that the product is actually successful in selling, or else why am I comparing myself to? So, if you do have an existing product selling right now, click on it first, find it, and click on it here first. If you don't, so let's say that you don't and you're creating a new listing, then it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to choose right here, select the products that are similar in price to what I want to sell and have really good sales. So right here, I see this kettle being sold at 99 dirhams and is selling approximately 178 sales per month. Now, you really do want to choose products that are very similar to the product that you intend to sell. So for example, as you can see, this is not really a product that is appropriate. Let's look at this one. So this one is selling at 195 dirhams, which is way above what I want to sell. And the sales are only 28. So for the time being, I'm just going to skip it. We've got this Aqua Falcon, also made out of glass, 67 dirhams, quite low, but selling at only 23, just selling 23 sales per month. Could be just a new product. The Black & Decker kettle at 105 dirhams. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose the Kenwood, the Xiaomi, even though it's not selling a lot. The Philips one is doing good. So you can choose up to 10 different products. But for the time being, let's keep it here. And I'm just going to click on Run Cerebro. So what Cerebro is going to do, it's going to do a reverse ASIN, whereby it's going to identify all of the keywords that are indexed and ranked for these particular products, which should be selling very well and also are direct competitors to the product that you are selling or that you intend to sell. Now, of course, by the way, you can do all of this manually by looking at the keywords. However, using a tool can make things much faster. So as you can see, Helium 10 has filtered 1,337 keywords, which is quite a lot. I can filter them down, and I can filter them down by potentially looking at search volume because I don't want keywords that have very, very low search volume. So I can say 300 as an example here, and I can click apply filter. Let's see what happens. So it's filtered it down to 18 keywords, so making life much, much better. So as you can see, Helium 10 is providing me a keyword. Actually, I'm gonna remove this I'm gonna clear it. I wanna go back to the 1337 because I wanna show you something. Now, as you can see right here, Helium-10 is providing me a lot of keywords. And if you notice here, some keywords are in Arabic. Hold on. If you want to learn a little bit more about why all of a sudden we're seeing Arabic keywords both on Amazon and on tools like Helium-10, make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now, thumbs up this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below because we're going to be bringing out very important information that you should know about as a seller in the coming few weeks. Now, as you can see here, there's a lot of things to look at, but potentially for what we intend to do in this case, we want to select keywords that have a lot of search volume. We want to identify really good keywords that seem to be a great keyword for your product. However, it only has a 12 search volume per month, so only like around 12 people are searching for it, making it not really a valuable keyword. You can add it, certainly, but it's not really that much of a valuable keyword since it has a really low search volume. The other thing that you want to look at, specifically for what we are trying to do in this video, is title density. So title density, in case you want to understand a little bit more, you could just put your mouse on the actual row itself and it's going to explain to you that title density basically means number of page one products with the searched keyword in their title. So letting you know how competitive that keyword is in terms of ranking. So ideally what you want is you want to find a keyword that has a great search volume with a very low title density, making it the perfect keyword for you to rank on, especially if you are launching your product. Now, if I click on search volume, what Helium-10 just did, it gave me the highest ranking search volume keyword to the lowest. Now, this is where I need to look at these keywords and identify which ones work for me. So as an example, water dispenser simply doesn't work, and which ones have good search volume and potentially maybe acceptable title density. So as an example here, as you notice, kettle is an exact keyword. It is a very important keyword for you to focus on. However, it's quite competitive, 2,900 search volumes per month and 48 title density. So there are 48 other people, other sellers, other products that are ranked for that particular keyword on the first page. It's quite competitive. However, you need to have it since it's such an important keyword. Now, electrical kettle, on the other hand, if you see here, has 1,900 search volume, which is still quite high, but only has a title density of 22. It's funny to find that Smeg kettle has a search volume of 475, yet has a title density of 0, even though Smeg is a brand being sold on Amazon. Certainly avoid adding other sellers' brands such as Smeg, such as the one underneath it, Air Fryer Philips, because that is completely infringing other sellers' trademarks and will certainly get your listing suppressed, if not get you in big trouble with Amazon. And if you're not certain, all you need to do is hover your mouse on top of the keyword. There we go. And Helium-10 will show you exactly what products fall under this keyword if you're not certain whether or not it is a brand. You can even toggle advanced view, and then there you go. You can see all of those details right here. Now, if you want to learn more secrets and tips and tricks about selling on Amazon, we have a great downloadable PDF for you, free of charge, of course. You can also find it in the description box of this video. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.